Okay, it's Miss Radley here. We have a new addition to our ELA work for the next couple weeks. It is a new section called Fluency. Your your children are familiar with this due to us practicing fluency in our everyday classroom. So here's week one, Fluency. So fluency is reading with appropriate speed and expression. We teach it to the students by saying we don't want you to sound like robots. Okay, we don't want you to read super fast. We don't want you to read super slow. Okay, so it's just that when you're reading at a pace or a speed that is comfortable and that allows you to understand what you're reading. We also ask that the students read with expression. Therefore, when they see an exclamation point or a question mark or period or comma, that they are following those rules. They read with excitement. They also read with sadness if it calls for that. So they're reading with emotion, and they're also making sure to stop when they see a period and to take a breath when they see a comma. So here it is. It's our weekly practice. You're going to record and upload yourself reading the passage to Dojo or Seesaw. The expectation is that you're doing this 3 times a week. Okay, so rereading the same passage 3 times a week and uploading your videos either to Dojo Messenger or to Seesaw. There will be 2 comprehension questions this week. They are due on Tuesday. They are short questions. They are very easy questions for our first week. All right, and then again, the expectation is that each student records and uploads a video or the recording of him or her reading 3 times a week. So this is how it will work. The first day, we are asking the children to read or listen to the passage, read the vocabulary words, and then just record themselves reading and then again upload to Class Dojo or Seesaw. On day 2, reread the passage, answer the 2 comprehension questions for this week, submit it on Class Dojo or Seesaw, and then also upload your recording of yourself reading the passage to Class Dojo or Seesaw. And then for day 3 of this week is to reread the text, focusing on the juicy sentence. It's the underlined sentence, okay, in the passage. You can see this at your at-home packet. While you read it, okay, the poem, focusing on that juicy sentence, that one that's underlined, just think about why the author put that line in. How does it help you visualize the poem? You don't need to write down your answers. You don't need to record your answers. Okay, just think about those. And then, okay, upload your final recording of yourself reading the poem to Class Dojo or Seesaw. The expectation is that the students will read the passage Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. However, if those days do not work for you in your schedule, we just ask that the children read the passage 3 times and record it 3 times. Here is our first passage. It is Hey Diddle Diddle. You can see that the text is over here and the comprehension questions are over here. Again, all of this information is in the at-home work packet that hopefully you all received in the mail. Okay, but if not, here it is. Here is our passage. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. So over here, okay, here's our poem, all right, or I should say our nursery rhyme. The underlined words and phrases right here. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, okay? And then you'll see your comprehension question. Why was the dog laughing? And what were the spoon and dish doing at the end? Okay, so remember those comprehension questions are due on Tuesday. Please reach out to Mrs. DiCarlo or myself, Miss Radley, if you guys have any questions about the new Fluency initiative that we're doing. Okay, we are more than happy and we are here and available to help you guys. All right, we look forward to hearing your beautiful voices.